Hi, welcome to the other side of the spot. Little walkway. Look at that. There's another bridge down there. Walkway bridge, train bridge. And there's the waterfall on the other side. Look at the screen got kicked out. Guess this was all part of the mill. Now it's apartments. Then we'll take a walk. There's a waterfall up there. Gonna dive in? No. I just want to see what's over here. Ah. And there's the waterfall. And that bridge up there that we just crossed on the other side of the spot. Cool place to live, I guess. Whoa, watch out, be careful. Whoops. Oh. Oh, don't want to fall in, that's for sure. Wow, what a great view. Alright, thanks for watching the spot on the other side of the spot. This has been a great adventure. I bet you that water is really cold. Wow. Nice view though. Is there some kind of drainage pipe? Wow. There it is. Well, thanks for watching. Okay, welcome to the spot number 5, 6? I don't know. But we're on the other end. We were over there before. And the waterfalls is over there. So, but we found this on the other end. Giant ducks.
Geese.
Geese. There's a big pipe where I thought was a walkway. And you say it's sewer control? I don't think it's used anymore. You think you can walk across the pipe? Look at the geese. Oh, there's horseshoes. Is this a little park?
Yeah.
This is a little park? Oh, wow. Look at the pipe, though. That's what I thought was a bridge.
No.
Wow, look at that pipe.
Why they did this? Because it goes to the sewage treatment plant.
It goes to the sewer. Everybody's sewers
Yeah.
running through here.
Oh, yeah. There's a big plant that used to be over there. And a dump, too. I remember working over there.
Huh. So it's no longer...
It's probably still...
There's a bunch of boats over there. So there's like an old junkyard over there?
Oh, I don't know what it is now. Probably like a part of the marina.
So this park keeps on stretching all the way down here. Look at all the water over there. It looks like Nestle's Quick. Look at that pipe. I thought it was a walkway, a bridge, or something, but nope. It's not a walkway, not a bridge. The water looks like it's low.
It is.
Look at all the pieces of stick over there. Is that a dock, old dock or something probably? From that junkyard or sewer treatment plant?
It could be.
See all the pieces over there?
Yeah.
But I'm not going.
It could be the garbage dump over there too.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of boats.
Sewage treatment plant.
You see all the boats?
And a water plant.
Wonder how we can get over there. There's a lot.
Cross over the bridge.
There's a lot of boats. Maybe we can swim across the river here.
Oh yeah.
Look at these trees. Wow. Well, I just wanted to show you this spot. Look at the trees.
Surprised this water isn't running.
Look at that pipe. So that's not in service no more.
What?
This
line?
pipe? Yeah, this line.
I would still think it is.
You think it's still people's sewage would go through here?
Yes. I would think it is. If it isn't, then that's a new one on me.
Yeah. I don't think it is in service anymore. It doesn't look like it's been painted or anything
But they're
anything
not gonna. You know,
in years.
I remember when they put this sucker in.
Look at it, got a big fence up there so you don't walk across it.
Oh, I remember going through here. I remember when they were building this.
Huh.
The interceptor line.
The interceptor line.
Yeah.
Sounds
That was,
like
I'm
Rambo.
going back in maybe in the late 60s, early 60s, they'd say.
A lot of boats over there. Boat junkyard.
Yeah, I'd say in the 60s.
Tree down. Wow. Well, anyways, I wanted to show you the pipe. Look at that. Sewer pipe. Interceptor. And there's the mill down there. All right. That's nice to discover these spots. I've never been here, so I didn't plan this. And welcome to our spot, our adventures. Hope you like it.